Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. Walking out to the truck right now to grab something. Y'all, by the way, I didn't mention it. Cat-Eye did freaking great coming down here. He rolled a smooth 75 for 3 hours. Really why I bought this truck, to be able to come travel. And we got something special, y'all. We're getting prepped in the morning. We went yesterday and actually bought me a bow for bow fishing. Now, last time I was down here, we went and did that. Guess what? Your boy's left-handed, and there's literally nobody who shoots left-handed. We went and bought a bow yesterday, got it all set up. It's a nice compound. Bought a new reel for it. So what our plan is today is we're actually gonna go run and get a new battery for the bow. It's gonna be pretty exciting, so let's go get that battery. Oh, what do we got there?
Took the whole trolling motor apart. Been through the whole thing. I've sent it up north 3 hours. They've sent it back, plugged it back up, made phone calls.
Put a new trolling motor on, realized it wasn't that, put the old one back on.
Trolling motor on. I was like, all right, well, it ain't the trolling motor. Brand new battery too. It was not even a year old.
Everything hooked up this morning. We worked on the trolling motor, got the battery straight. Everything's working out perfect. I don't think I showed you guys the bow yet, but I bought the compound. I'm a little nervous. We got it down kind of in the yard, but when you're shooting into the water, it's a completely different story. You got to aim a little bit underneath them. It goes by feet, so probably gonna struggle doing that, but we're not gonna know until I try. B-Man, you ready?
You ready? We gonna smoke the fish or what, bro?
Garrett, you ready?
Hell yeah, dude. Bow fishing is always a blast, whether you're shooting or not shooting.
Exactly.
You're gonna have a good time.
So we're getting prepped, leaving at 6. We're gonna run to the gas station, get drinks, get food. We could be out there to 3 o'clock in the morning. We could be out there for a couple hours. All depends on what the fish are doing, so let's get loaded up. We just made it back here, ran a couple miles. Water's looking good, we got a little bit of time. This stuff trying to film it's a little hard. We got one big spotlight up there. We're all gonna take turns, make sure we all get a shot. Like I said to y'all, it's my first time shooting this bow, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna be missing a lot, but it's great to be out here, enjoying every second of it. Oh, she's a pern. Gonna warm up, getting about right. We're getting set up. Hope there's some carp in here. Well, I don't know if I showed it, but this is what we got the other day. A pain in the butt to freaking find it, but hopefully she does the job. It's just gonna be on me if I can do it or not, but can't learn until you practice, right?
Yep, I'm grabbing me a new air.
So let's see what happens. It's up to the fish now. That's the angle y'all gonna be seeing. This right here. Lights are looking good. Hope we see some fish. I'm gonna miss like a son of a bitch, dude.
Aim low.
Everybody misses.
Low, aim as low as you think you can physically aim and then aim lower.
Yeah, this water's pretty murked up, dude. I don't know what we're gonna be able to see. See but damn 5 feet in front of you.
Boys, we got 5 inches of visibility. This chocolate milk.
Not good.
Hey, so you might pack up and come back.
Yeah. No, there's some more.
Actually saw that.
Yeah, there's some more clouds over here. Might have hit a little patch of them. All right, it is the next day. Back out here trying to go back to carp fishing, guys. We had a. Oh yeah, we had a hard time yesterday. It is what it is. We couldn't see the fish, and that kind of sucks. Can't see fish, can't shoot them. So.
We're gonna shoot so many fish tonight. We're gonna sink the boat.
You think?
Nah.
Not at all. But that's what we got to do, guys. We got to try to find. You got to keep trying. You can't do something unless you don't get out there and try. That's why we keep on turkey hunting. That's why we keep on doing everything. So odds are, probably won't get as many as we want. That's the way it goes. But as long as we get out there and try to see some fish, shoot some fish, it's all worth it. We're on the boat having a good time. All the boys are going to be out there. So let's hit the road and see if we can get some fish. I just got into the water. As honestly, it's looking pretty good. The water compared to like my lake's like Falls Lake. Y'all will know that lake. It looks pretty good. So clarity should be there. Well, I think it's on Beach Channel, but I got it down. I shot a Red Bull can. It's getting better, but when there's actually fish in front of us, so it's going to be hard. Generator's going. Lights are on. Water is freaking perfect. We can see a lot better. Hopefully we'll be able to see at least 7-8 feet out, and I got a feeling there's going to be some fish there. So let's get the GoPro on. I'm going to try to film as much as I can with this camera. It's just hard to kind of do this stuff, but looking good though.
Way better than the other day.
Way a lot better. It's a small bass. Look at this, dude. I mean, we can see.
Way better than yesterday.
We can see a lot better. There's a fish. Bluegill. There's a fish right there.
Little cat. Where was that shad?
Yeah, but it's literally a bass. Looking good up here. Big old snapping turtle. Jeez. Oh, he's mating.
Hell yeah, son, turn it up. So when the spawn's on, we can find more grass like this. Oh my god.
Oh, it'd be money. Some good looking grass, dude. New spot. Oh, there's this little small catfish. Oh, it's gone. It ran off. It's a big bass. Don't touch it.
Damn, that is a good bass.
That's a pretty fish. More grass. Here we go. I mean, this looks so freaking good. There's just nothing.
There's one. Catfish.
Peter, first one to the gun.
Yeah. I was close.
Honestly, you're pretty close.
Yeah, right there, right there. See his tail?
Somebody domed him.
Oh yeah.
Braydon did. I shot right over his butt.
Oh. 2 for 2.
He came off.
Damn,
you might have got him.
No, I didn't get him. I think he came off.
Glad we saw some at least. You got him.
Look at that bluegill.
Little bluegill. Throwing to the next spot. And we're seeing some gar out here. Slow down, maybe we'll see another.
Right here.
I
nicked him.
A lot of gar. A lot of shad back here, dude.
A lot of big shad.
All right, let's see what's the back of here. As well. I think all we're gonna be getting tonight is catfish. Did you get him?
There it is.
There you go.
There, just about come off too.
Oh yeah. Something big waking right there. Coming up.
That's a fish.
It is a fish.
Oh my god.
I saw something waking, dude. Another one. Another one. Got him?
That mother.
Hell yeah. Might be a patch of them in here. What is he, catfish?
Yeah.
Change of batteries, 1 carp, 1 catfish. What we got after this?
We can go shoot some more clear water out in the open.
Yeah.
We can go shoot some like sandbars. We can go find some more stuff like this.
Right there. Right there.
Oh, you got him.
I got him.
You freaking got him, dude.
Oh shit. Good shot, B. That's a car.
Hold on, let me get off you.
Yeah. Give me the gaff. He gonna come off.
Son.
Hey, we need an arrow. That is about to come off.
Get him up, get him up. Oh yeah.
Bro, look at my arrow.
Yeah, it's about to come out. Under him. We both shot at that one, B.
That was pretty fucked up. That was a big fish. You would have killed him.
Alright guys, really did not get an outro for this video. I don't know if the other boys are gonna be posting to us what we did with this bow fish and stuff, but honestly guys, I just don't believe in, like, if I go to do something, I still want to be able to put the content out for you guys and make it the best I can. So no, we did not shoot a lot of fish. I think B and Julius were the only ones who actually got to shoot something. I had a lot of experience doing it too, and I'm just gonna say that for myself right now, because guys, it's freaking hard. Now what I'm excited about though, guys, is that, like, I was actually trying to shoot at some of the smaller fish we could see. There was tons of bluegill, tons of shad. I don't know if you heard it in the video, but I mean, I was getting pretty close to those. So if you got a freaking 20-30 pound carp, I'm probably gonna be able to hit that. And I was just trying to practice on some of the smaller fish. Cause if you can hit one of those like Julius did, and I think B hit one too, you'll be able to shoot a big fish. I actually missed it by like a week and a half, 2 weeks. So actually this weekend coming up, guys, I'm going back down there and we're gonna try to see if we can hit the carp when they're actually spawning. We have the hog hunt we still gotta do too. The week just didn't go. I'll probably say it in one of my other videos you guys will see coming out. It just didn't go the best for on the outdoor stuff. That's why I still want to try to put some of this content out, because even if it doesn't work out, it's still cool. We still get to do this kind of stuff, and I bet you guys still want to watch it. So that's why I'm doing this video. I was freaking close and I still had a blast doing it, and I have my compound now, so like I left it at B's. Probably should have brought it back home to practice, but that's just experience, guys. We're gonna keep on going. I will shoot a freaking carp remember this video, because I'm gonna freaking say it when I finally get one. It's gonna happen. But all the boys, we love going out there, having a blast, and I hope you guys enjoy us putting out these videos because you got a lot more coming. And back what I said about the outdoor content, it doesn't always go as planned. You can't rely on the fish and the animals to always want to be in the video. So that's why I think probably the last video you guys are gonna see will be my next one after this. I think you guys really enjoy that because B and I had this idea, we made it happen and we did it. So that's why I wanted to wrap this video up. I will shoot a carp, it is gonna happen. So until then guys, I appreciate it. Look Bass TV.